DMARC is evolving, and it's time to prepare for DMARCbis, the next generation update to email authentication. Unlike a brand new protocol, DMARCbis is a refinement of the existing standard, making it more robust, flexible, and easier to implement. So what's new? Outdated tags like PCT, RF, and RI are being removed. New tags such as PSD, NP, and T are being introduced for improved domain management and subdomain handling. One of the biggest upgrades, DMARCbis replaces the older Public Suffix List with a smarter DNS-based method called tree walk to identify your organizational domain more accurately. This makes policy enforcement more precise, especially for large enterprises managing multiple subdomains. The good news? DMARCbis remains backward compatible. Your existing policies won't break, but reviewing and updating your records now can ensure a smoother transition. At PowerDMARC, we simplify this process with automation, expert guidance, and full-stack DMARC compliance tools. Stay secure, stay ahead. Talk to our experts and get DMARCbis ready with PowerDMARC.